Hi friends, in our previous video we solved some of the questions on Upsc Csat 2024. Okay, so let us continue the same thing. Next set of questions. Question number 15 from set A UPSC CSAT, that is paper 2 2024. Triple 2 to the power of triple 3 plus triple 3 to the power of triple 2 is divisible by which of the following numbers? Very easy question. Simple basic concept, that's it. What is the basic concept here? Let us try to understand. As we all know, 2 raised to the power of anything is an even number, right? One number. How is it? Let me show you some example. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, and so on, correct? 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, correct? It goes on like this. So this is an even number. 3 raised to anything will be an odd number. How? Let us try to understand. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 9, power 3 27, 3 power 4 is 81. If you observe the unit digits, it is odd number. So we are clear, this is going to be even number, this is going to be odd number. Fine. So what happens when we add even number plus odd number? What is the resultant? Let us try to check here itself. Is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to, that is even plus odd is equal to what? 2 plus 3 is 5. Odd number. Let us check other numbers also. 4 plus 9, 13. Again odd number. 8 plus 27, 35. It goes on like this. So even plus odd is going to be odd number. I hope it is right. This is my even number plus this is my odd number, which is nothing but my resultant number is always odd number. Now we know very well the basics that odd numbers can never be divided by 2. Can never be divided by 2. Odd number is never divisible by 2, which means I have to remove the options which have 2, the answer. As simple as that. I'll go with the elimination technique. I will not check every option here. I'll just go and see if 2 is there, that is not my answer. As simple as that. Because odd number can never be divided by 2. Can we divide 3 by 2? Not possible. 9 by 2, 27 by 2, 81 by 2. Never. It is not possible. So I'll simply remove the option which has 2. Here it has 2, wrong. Here it has 2, wrong. Here it has 2, wrong option, which means this leaves me with only this option 3 and 37, but not 2. As it says but not 2, I don't have to really check here whether it is divisible with 3 and 37. I'll simply go ahead with this option. Is option B, right? Don't worry about checking 3 and 37. Okay, yes. Next one. What percent of water must be mixed with honey so as to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price of honey? Okay, we have honey, have water, we have cherry, right? The cost price of honey. Let us assume cost price is 1 rupee. Okay, re1. Cost price is 1 rupee, and this is honey. The quantity is 100 liters. As of now, we will assume. So which means the cost price will be 100 liters into 1 rupee, which is going to be 100 rupees. Fine. 100 rupees is the cost price as of now, because it says cost price of honey. That's why I have taken. Now, what percentage of water must be mixed with the honey so as to gain 20%? Gain 20% means selling price has to of this mixture has to be 120 rupees. That's what it means. Let's just remind you, gain is nothing but SP minus C. Got it? 120 minus 100 gives 20. The percentage. 20% is what I need. Fine. Got it? So I need a selling price of mixture as 120 rupees. Okay. And they say one more thing. The mixture has to be sold at the cost price of honey. That is 1 rupee per liter I have to sell. If I have to sell 1 rupee per liter, how many liters I am going to sell? I am going to sell the mix of, right? I need to, that is 120 liters is what I am going to sell at rupees 1, because it says cost price. So I am going to sell 120 liters at rupees 1 so as to get selling price as 120 rupees. Means how much I am going to add? 20 liters for 100. So 20 liters I am going to add for 100, which means how much percent? As simple as that. Simple straightforward question. Option A, 20% is the right answer. Next question. What is the rightmost digit preceding the zeros in the value of 30 to the power of? Okay. So friends, here we have to understand a concept called as the unit digit repeated digit cyclicity. For example, as of now, 30 to the power of 10, I am going to write like this. 30 I will write it as 3 into 10. Okay? 3 into 10 to the power of 30. Nothing but 3 to the power of 30, 10 to the power of 30. Yeah, right? To the power of 30, 10 to the power of 30. 10 raised to power anything will give me only zeros. You know that, right? Because 10 raised to 1 is 10, 100, 1,000. So it means I'm gonna get zeros only in the units place when I multiply with 10. Got it? 10 raised to anything. So I don't need to worry about this. This I'll neglect, because it asks what is the rightmost digit preceding the zeros. That is, before zeros, what is the number? For example, if it was 3 into 10 raised to 3, or say 3 to the power of 2 to 10 raised to the power of 2, which means 9 into 100 going to be 900. So the question is, what is the digit before the 0? Is 9. If it was 3 to the power of 2, okay, but now I have to find out what is it 3 to the power of 30. How do I find out? This is quite simple. There is a concept called as cyclicity of the unit digit. Let me just show you the basic. For example, if it is 3 raised to 1, it is 3 raised to 9, raised to going to be 7, 3 raised to 81, 3 raised to 5 is going to be 43. Now observe the unit digits. 3, 9, 7, 1. Again 3 is coming. Means this is a cycle involving 4 unit digits, 3, 9, 7, 1. So how much ever may be the power for 3, the unit digit is going to be either 3, 9, 7 or 1. Now if you look at the option, we have all 3, 9, 7, 1. All the options are available. Fine. But how do I decide which? Now observe the power. Is 1, 2, observe this carefully. 4. If I divide 4 by 4, I am going to get remainder as 0. This means if I get remainder as 0, the unit, write it for you, R and U. If my remainder is 0, I am going to get unit as, here if I divide this by 4, I will get remainder as 3. If my remainder is 3, I am going to get 7. If my remainder is 2, I am going to get 9 as the unit digit. The remainder, if my remainder is 1, I am going to get, if I go further, let me just show you, just to help you understand. 5 divided by 4, I'll get 1 remainder, right? If I get 1 remainder, what is the unit digit? 3. So this is cyclicity. You don't need to calculate any further. You just need this 1, 2, 3 and 0. That's it. Why 0? Because 4 is divisible by 4. 4 by 4 is 0. Now let us try to understand what is the power here. 30. If I divide 30 by 4, 4 sevens are 28. I am going to get remainder as 2. If my remainder is 2, what is going to be my unit digit? You are right, it is 9. So option D, 9 is the correct answer here. 421 and 427 when divided by the same number, this is very important, divided by the same number, common factor, same number, leaves the remainder 1. how many numbers can be used as the divisor in order to get the same remainder 1? Okay, got it, same. We need to find out the common factor, that's it. That is the basic concept of LCM HCF if you remember. All right. Now, if we observe the numbers carefully, 421, right? What is the difference? 421, 47, the difference is, this gives me clear indication that are divisible. 6, they will give, okay? Because if I just divide by 6, 42, then 1 will be same way here. 7 40, 6 ones are 7, 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. Again remind. So I have a clear hint here. The difference is 6. This is going to be divided by 6. So I got one number is going to be divisible by 6. This is one of the factors. If 6 is a factor, we know 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. Correct? 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. So if a number is divisible by 6, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3 also. How? Let me show you an example. 12 is divisible by 6, 12 is divisible by 6, 12 is also divisible by 2, 12 is also divisible. 18 is divisible by 6, also divisible by 2, also divisible. Which means if a number is divisible by 6, it is divisible by its factor also, that is 2 and 3. So how many total? 1, 2, 3 numbers can divide. What is the answer here? How many numbers? How many numbers can be used? 3 numbers. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. A can X contains 399 liters of petrol and can Y contains 532 diesel. They are to be bottled in bottles of equal size so that the whole of petrol and diesel would be separately bottled. The bottle capacity in terms of liters is an integer. How many different bottle sizes are possible? These type of questions are nothing but again common factors. Again common factors. This is related to HCF. Fine. Again common factors. How do we do it? We'll find out the factors first. 399. 399 I'll divide by 3. Correct? 3. Again, is it possible to divide by 3? No, I cannot. Let me try some other number. Is it possible to divide by 7? 7 ones are 7, then 63, 7 9. And that's it. I cannot divide any further. So this is prime factorization method, if you remember. Prime factorization to calculate HCF LCM. Fine. So I got here 3 into 7 into 19 and of course 1. Then 532, since this is an even number, I can divide this by 2. 2 2 is 4, the 12, the 12. Again I got even number, again I can divide this by 2. 2 ones are 2, the 6. Now I cannot divide this by 2. But I have got here 133 means I can divide by 7 and 9. 7, again I got that. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 19 into 1. Now we have to look at what are the common factors here. Okay, which are the common numbers? If you observe carefully, 7, 19 and 1 are the common numbers, correct? So it is possible that we can have these 3 different sizes, 7, 19 and 1. These are the common. Now since 7 and 19 is there, if I multiply 7 into 19, that is 133. This size is also possible. 133 is also possible because 133 is less than 399 and 532 and this is common. So 7, 19, 1 and 133. This size is also possible. How many options overall? 4 options. So option B, 4 is the correct answer. Guys, all these are very basic. You must have studied in the primary school, right? Let us look at the last question of this video. Consider the following statement. Respect of the sum S is equal to x plus y plus z, where x, y, z are distinct prime numbers, each less than 10. Prime numbers less than 10 are nothing but prime numbers. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7. That's all, right? These are the 4 prime numbers less than 10. Now they have given our equation S is equal to x plus y plus. Okay, S equal to x plus y plus z. Basically, I need to add any 3 out of the 4 prime numbers. Let me go ahead with this way first. 2 plus 3 plus me 10. 2 plus 3 plus 7 me 12. I took with 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 7 I did. Okay, let me try one more combination. 2 plus 5 plus 7. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. What is the unit digit here? 2, here it is 4, here it is 0. Okay, so the unit digit of S can be 0? Yes, possible. One answer I got. Let me try once. Some more combination. Let me try this way. 3 plus 5 plus 7. Plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. Unit digit is 5. There is one more option. Unit digit of S can be 5. Yes, possible. Now one more option is unit digit 9 is possible. How it is possible? The lowest number is 2. If I take lowest 2 numbers, 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Next, if I add 5, it becomes 10. If I add 7, it becomes 12. So nowhere I am going to get 1 as 9. Okay, let me add the higher number. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. I get 5, or 12 plus 2, 14. I get 4. That is the maximum I can get. I can never get 9. I don't get 19 or 9 also if I add any number. So this is not at all possible. Option 1 and 3, that is which option? Option C, 1 and 3 the correct. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and wait for some more videos on UPSC Csat 2024. Thank you.